Hi, Patrick Reed, Adamas Principal. Wow, what happened to the risk-on bullish stock market? Minus 1,800 on the Dow Jones was the drop, all in, but a small bounce recently. But all of this worries against a not that confident Jay Powell from the FOMC, highlighting the risks. The knees, despite having a projection of a 5% bounce on GDP next year, but really foot on the gas, highlighting those risks. And the new cases in Texas and some other states of COVID-19 really contributing to this risk-off sell-off, primarily through stocks. Now, some participants and say, including myself, this is well needed, it's a healthy correction, and you really will have to look at Monday and Tuesday next week for takeout on whether we have turned or this is just a dip buying sort of opportunity. But all to play for. So let's look at the first charts. So the first chart we've got here is Euro Yen. Now, Euro Yen has been really supportive to Euro Dollar. The dollar yen element of this has been quite lackluster. However, it has come to life. So therefore, things are moving like they should be without any kind of invisible hand, so to speak. This is off the highs. We are below the mid-Bollinger Band. And tiny bounce today, but this 122.07, really key. And let's just see if it stays in this trend channel. It is going up, but we broke up, failed, and if it does close below this 120.62, more downside is possible. Next chart. This is Euro Dollar, quite conflicting. I'm a broad dollar bear, but if we do have a risk-off scenario, you will get this topping out. Euro Yen helping, and by default, obviously, Euro Dollar has lost a friend there in Euro Yen, now that dollar yen has come to life. Just to say, Euro Dollar, this 114.50 didn't quite make it there, but it's looking quite choppy, waiting for some proper direction. I would just say, if 112.85 breaks and we close below, that's a decent level on the 4-hourly, but this is the daily. We have to stay above 111.88. That's the line in the sand. That's the key level. So, for this dollar bearish view, I have to remain firmly intact. Next chart, please. Okay, Aussie dollar, yeah. This was, loved it on the way up with risk on. Iron ore still really healthy, but the China worries, Hong Kong's one thing, Taiwan's another. And essentially with this whole the wolf warrior diplomacy, the great article on FT recently, this whole diplomacy in the sense that China will not just criticize Washington, but friends of Washington. And they came out with a story which helped to start this Aussie sell-off. They were urging students to strongly consider going to universities in Australia. So this is just something, a semi-new narrative, this wolf warrior diplomacy. Now, all of this is great, but 68.27 is expect buyers there. And finally, the big move recently, oil off, CAD got absolute hosing down. Tiny bounce, but 135.48. Maybe a few buyers there, but that's about it. My name is Patrick. This is it, Adamas Principal, and I hope these charts are helpful. Thank you.